Welcome back, Performance Mechanic YouTube channel. Today I am going to try explain OBD system. What is OBD? History of OBD. Let's see. Nowadays everyone know what is OBD. Every car having OBD. Let's check history of OBD. The history of automobile it start 100 year back. When start the automobile vehicles manufacturing, the almost all the vehicles run in petrol. Diesel also available that time, but most of the cars are run in carburator engine. 1965, the American scientists they notify there is a climate change and highly pollution. American scientists they did the investigation and they found this harmful gas from the automobile vehicles tailpipe. Automobile scientists they investigate about the emission related case. They notify the air and fuel is not burning well inside the engine. To burn the fuel completely, this need the perfect air fuel ratio. So they invented the air fuel ratio, stoichiometric ratio. In petrol engine, the air fuel ratio 14.7 is to 1. 14.7 kg air and 1 kg fuel. This ratio you will burn the fuel inside the engine. The exhaust gas we can reduce. Then they decide to achieve the air fuel ratio inside the engine. We need to use the computerized fuel system. Let's check how the basic computers are work. For example, just take one calculator. This calculator you will give some input. This calculator will analyze the input and they will give you answer. This the way the engine control module will work in automobile vehicles. They modified the engine. They build the first throttle body fuel injection system. This system having one engine control module and one MF sensor and IAT sensor and O2 sensor. MF sensor measure how much volume of air entering inside the engine. Second one IAT sensor measure the intake air temperature. The O2 sensor is the very important one. This O2 sensor fixing in the exhaust manifold area. This O2 sensor measure how much oxygen inside the exhaust gas. Oxygen sensor measure the exhaust gas oxygen amount and it will convert to voltage. O2 sensor voltage range is 0 to 1.2 voltage. O2 sensor reading 0.45 volt. It means this engine is running the exact air fuel ratio 14.7 is to 1. Inside the ECM they already programmed oxygen sensor voltage 0.45. It means the engine inside the air fuel ratio is the perfect. So this ECM always adjusts the fuel amount inside the engine. ECM always monitoring the O2 sensor reading and this O2 sensor reading to maximum to achieve 0.45 voltage. So ECM control the fuel and adjust the exhaust gas oxygen level. This one is the basic fuel injection system. Then the scientists they did the ECM inside the program self-diagnostic capability. So this system become OBD. It is called OBD onboard diagnostic system. So this system having self-diagnostic capability. So this ECM always monitoring all the sensor. If any fault they will provide fault code. Nowadays, all vehicles running in OBD2. This system having a lot of sensor and more advanced system. This one. I'm going to wind up this video. Thank you very much.